Welcome to Qiyoga with LuChin. In this video, we're going to do a 10 minutes twist flow. You can do this any time of the day. Maybe after workout you want to wind down, or before you go to bed to relax all the muscles and the tension might be built up by doing other exercises. And this is also really wonderful for improving digestion. Now let's get started. Sitting tall, lengthen through the spine. We're going to warm up the neck. Inhale. Lengthen the back of your neck. Exhale, draw the chin to your chest. Inhale, chin back. Exhale, lift the chin towards the ceiling. One more time. Follow your breath. Bring the chin back and rotate your neck to the right. Open the eyes big. By engaging the eyes, we'll stimulate into the liver meridian. Now to the left. Truly engage the muscles in the eyes as you rotate to one side. We don't want to overly crank the neck, but send the muscles in the eyes keep going, guiding you towards the back. To the left. Back to neutral. Draw the right ear to right shoulder. And then left ear to left shoulder. Right ear to right shoulder and hold here. Extend the left arm. Move the arm. Options to place the right palm over the left ear. Move this arm around to the front and all the way back, finding this wonderful twist across the spine. Now maybe have the hands press against the right leg. We're in this binding position. Release the arms and draw the left ear to left shoulder. Place the left palm over the right ear. Extend the right arm. Move the arm. I can hear my spine popped very lightly. You might press the arm against the left leg. Lift the left armpit. And come back to neutral. Round into the spine. Draw your chin side to side. Then forward. Project the chest. Feeling the stretch through the low back. And come back. And now right hand press down the right leg. Maybe the left hand come down to the mat. Give a little anchoring. Keep looking to the right. Twist. Feeling the gentle twist through the neck and the spine. And change. Left hand press down the left knee. Right hand can be anywhere on the floor. Twist to the left. By adjusting the position of the shoulder, I'm finding a slightly different twist for the neck and the spine. and come back to center. Use your left hand, massage the right side of the neck. Relax the muscles. Then use the right hand to massage the left side. Use both hands. Maybe the fingers press into the wind pull point that's on the lateral side of the tendon, and finding this big depression where the head meets the neck. Oh, this feels really good. And open the legs. The left hand press into the right knee. Give under the twist here. The knee is pressing against the hand. And the other side. And come back to center. Lengthen the right leg. Step the left foot over the bottom leg. Left arm lined up with the shin. Extend the right arm up. Then fingertips go behind. Press down the mat. Keep lengthening the spine and twist. Look towards the right shoulder. Slowly bring the arms up. Now twist to the left. Arm press against the outside of the leg. Press down the back of the right heel. The ankle is flexed. And come back. Hold your arms up, elbows are bent. Twist side to side. Relaxing from the twist. And lengthen the top leg, but the legs are crossed over. From here, arms rise. Inhale. Exhale, hinge forward. Maybe this is all you can go. That's perfectly okay. Feeling the stretch on the bottom leg, the hamstrings through the low back. Just hold here. Keep the neck long by tucking the chin slightly. And maybe bring the hands to the right side, adding a different kind of twist here. Anchoring the fingers, anchoring through the fingers. Look towards the right shoulder. Walk back to the left. Don't you love the sound of the birds? Very good. Come back to neutral. Fold over the legs. Feeling the stretch through the bottom leg, the hamstring, the glutes, and the low back. This is really good for relieving sciatica as well. All right, come back to center. Switch up the legs. Step the right foot over the left leg. Right arm lined up with the inside of the shin. Swing the left arm up. Keep the spine tall. Press the fingertips down and twist. This is a much gentler twist. Look towards the left shoulder. Maybe press the knee into the arm. One more breath. Slowly flow the arms up and twist to the right. Look towards the right shoulder. come back, lift the elbows. Elbows are bent. We're going to twist side to side. Recovery twist. Release the arms. The top leg can come up a little bit more straight. As long as the foot's on the other side of the leg, we will get a very nice stretch and additional twist. Arms right, inhale. Exhale, hinge. And release the arms down. Press from the lower back forward. The chin is tucked a little. You don't have to go very deep. The stretch is there. Quite intense, but yummy. Now walk your hands to the left. Twist into it. The hands can go anywhere that feels comfortable in the body. Over here, maybe going back a bit more. Slowly come back to the legs. Now walk the hands to the right. Twist. Anchoring the fingers down. If it's too much for the neck, gently rotate your neck side to side. And come back to the legs. Stretch. Try to press the chest forward. Very good. Come back to center. Hands grab onto the ankles or above the ankle. Press the elbows into the knee, lengthen forward, keep the chin tucked. Very nice hip opening. Try to relax the shoulders, especially if you have shoulder issues. And very often you might be holding tension on that shoulder joint. That's my situation. I constantly need to remind myself to relax my right shoulder. Very good. Come back to center. And both arms to the right side. Twist to the right. Look towards the right shoulder. The body is really loosening up. Then flow the arms to other side. Keep the spine tall. Thinking you're squeezing water from a wet rag. Twisting the vertebrae one by one, very gently and lovingly. And come back to center. Press the chest forward and round into it. Seated cat cow. When you round into the spine, maybe drop the chin to the right and to the left before you come forward. And come back to center. Bring the soles of the feet to touch. Hands either grab onto the ankles or pick up the big toes. And use the bicep to hug your chest. Keep the chin tucked. Wiggle your knees. Visualize beautiful butterfly dancing in the garden. And now, release your hands, easily cross-legged position, Sukhasana. Bring your hands together. Gently bow for our time together on the mat today. Friends, let me know if you enjoyed this twist flow. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.